Your vehicle is fitted with automatic air conditioning for optimum comfort. When you switch on automatic mode, the system can regulate air temperature, ventilation speed, air distribution in the passenger compartment and air recirculation to maintain a comfortable environment and ensure good visibility. Press this button to activate automatic mode. The built-in auto indicator light comes on. In automatic mode, the system manages the activation and deactivation of the air conditioning. To force shutdown of the air conditioning, press this button and the built-in light will go out. Use this control to adjust the ventilation speed, and this one to adjust the temperature. To change the air distribution in the passenger compartment, turn this control to the desired position. Note that if you manually change one of these settings, automatic mode is deactivated. To reactivate it, just press auto again. If there is condensation or frost on your windows, press this button to activate the clear view feature. The rear screen, front side windows and, on some versions, the door mirrors, will be quickly demisted or defrosted for you. The air conditioning and rear screen de-icer will automatically switch on. Press this button to manually switch off the rear screen de-icing feature. Lastly, to avoid introducing polluted air into the passenger compartment, for example in traffic jams, your vehicle automatically activates the air recirculation function based on the quality of the outdoor air. The ventilation then operates with a closed circuit. You can of course manually activate this feature whenever you want by pressing this button. The built-in indicator light comes on to confirm the activation. Note that prolonged use of this feature may cause misting. It is advisable to return to automatic mode as soon as air recirculation is no longer necessary. To stop the whole air conditioning system, set this control to off. Note that Eco mode may limit the effectiveness of the air conditioning in order to reduce power consumption.